Hello, grade 7. Today I am going to teach you a very interesting topic of mathematics, that is chapter 9 of your content book, Lines and Angles. We have learned about lines and angles in previous classes. Let us quickly revise what we have learned. In this screen, you can say the first heading is point. A point has no size or shape, just position. So, uh, a, a dot like figure is called a point. The second one is a line. A line is a straight path of points that has no beginning or end. So, we can see in this picture also that here and here it's both and is represented by a arrow, an arrow means that it has no endpoints. Okay, the next one is line segment. Okay, here we can see that there is no figure such as arrow. So that means कि a line segment is a portion of a line that has two endpoints. So the length of line segment is fixed and it is represented by a line over its endpoints. So we can say that line segment is a part of whole line. When we take any part of line, that is called line segment. Okay, the next one is a ray. What is a ray? A ray is a portion of a line which has one point and extend forever in one direction. So in ray we can see that there is one endpoints and there is an arrow mentioned in the other end, that means that this is endless point. ठीक है. So we studied that a line has no endpoint, a line segment has two endpoints, and a ray is a fixed point, one fixed point, that means one endpoint, and in other hand we can extend it forever in one direction. Okay, now if we talk about angle, that an angle is formed when two lines or line segment or rays meet at a common point. When any of the if we can see the figure, we see two rays meet at a common point. When these type of shape or figure formed, then the angle is also formed. Here it is called an angle, and these two line rays or line segments are called arms of the angles. Okay, this common point is called, this common point where they meet each other is called their vertex. Okay, so that is all we have studied in our previous classes. Now I am going to uh, see going to move further, and here in this page we are going to learn spatial pairs of angles. What are spatial pairs of angles? I am going to tell you that a combination of two angles is called a pair of angle. When we take the combination of two angles, that is called pairs of angles. So there are a lot of pairs of angles, and here we are going to start with complementary angles. In complementary angles, we can say two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measure is 90 degree and each angle is said to be a complement of the other. That means if we are taking two angles and their sum is equal to 90 degree, that means कि they are complementary angles. And suppose the first angle is 30 degree, so we have to make the sum equal to 90 degree, so we have to take the next angle is 60 degree. Okay, and 60 degree is called, this angle is called complement of 30 degree, and 30 degree is called the angle of 30 degree is called complementary of 60 degree. So they are complement of each other. Okay, now we can also identify this with this figure, complementary angles. When we take a pair of angle and there's some, so here we can see in the figure the first angle is 25 degree, so the other angle will be 65 degree. By why? Because we have to take the sum equal to 90 degree. So if one angle is given, suppose here 42 angle is given and we have to find the other angle, so what we have to do, we have to subtract it from 90. To find the other angle, we have to subtract the given angle by 90. If we did so, then we can find the other angle. So here we can say what we will get when we subtract 42 from 90, we will get 48 degree. Okay. Okay. Oh, I think that is clear to you all, and I am going to move next page, that is supplementary angles. That is supplementary angles. What are supplementary angles? Two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degree. That means if we take the sum 180 degree, they will be supplement to each other. They are called supplement to each other. Okay. Oh, that will be okay. If we take two angles, in which the sum is 180 degree, that is called supplementary angles. So suppose I am saying that A is 120 degree, then what will be the measurement of other angle, B angle, and how we can find it? We can find it by subtracting the given angle by 180. If we subtract it, we will get the unknown angle or the supplementary of the given angle. So we can say A is the supplementary of B and B is the supplement of A, and both are called supplementary angle because their sum is equal to 180 degree. The next one is adjacent angle. What are adjacent angle? Adjacent angle are two angles that share a common side and vertex. In complementary angle, supplementary and supplementary angle, it is not needed, then they share a common side or common vertex. If the pair of two angles, if the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, they are called complementary, and if their sum is equal to 180 degree, that are supplementary angles. It is not necessary that they share a common side or vertex, but in adjacent angle 3 points are there. If they follow these 3 points, then we can say the given angle is adjacent angle, otherwise they does not make adjacent angles. The first point is adjacent angles exist as pairs. ठीक है, तो I am teaching you pairs of angle, so they should be existing in pair. The second point is they share a common vertex. उनके बीच में एक common vertex होना चाहिए. And the third point is they share a common side. उनके बीच में एक common side भी होनी चाहिए दोनों angles, between two angles. Okay. I am showing you a figure. Let us let us find that the figure holds whether the figure holds these three properties or not. Okay. The first point, adjacent angles exist in pair. So we can see A and B, two angles are there, and so it is in pairs. They share a common vertex. As we can see, they all meet at a common point and it is called a common vertex. Angle A बन रहा है, angle B बन रहा है, and B, they meet each other at a common point, so it holds the second line. And the third line is they share a common side. If we can see angle A, and this line is used in angle A, and this line is also used in to making angle B here, angle B. So we can see that this is a common side which exist in making angle A as well as angle B. So we can see that they all 3 points are satisfied here. So we can say that angle A and B are adjacent angle. I hope that is clear to you all. The next one is linear pairs. What are linear pairs? I am going to tell you that if adjacent angle makes the sum of 180 degree, then it will become linear pairs. Abhi in the previous figure I didn't tell you anywhere that the sum what will be the sum of adjacent angles. तो यहाँ पर तो एडजेसेंट एंगल में कोई कंडीशन नहीं है, सम कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू इफ द sum of adjacent angle will become 180 degree, then it will called linear pairs. तो in linear pairs are two adjacent angle. linear pairs होने के लिए adjacent angle होना compulsion है, compulsory है. linear pairs are two adjacent angle that create a straight line, and we know that the angle which make in straight line is called is the sum is 180 degree. So the two angles are supplementary, add up to 180 degree. So at दो ऐसे adjacent angle जिनका sum 180 degree हो जाएगा, they are called linear pairs. So here we can see in the figure, in the given figure, 119 and 61. If we see, they share a common vertex, they share a common side, and they are exist in pairs. They all hold the properties of adjacent angles, so they are adjacent angle, but their sum is equal to 180 degree, so they are linear pairs. In the second figure, again we can see this is a common side, this is a common vertex, so it holds all the property of adjacent angles, and the sum of 145 and 35 will become 180 degree, so they are linear pair. So that is all about this video. I hope that is all clear to you all, and for the next in my next video I will tell you about angles making on straight line, vertically opposite angle, and we will talk about parallel line also. So stay connected, stay at home, and stay safe. Thank you all.